In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the specific usage limits for NotebookLM and what each plan offers. I'll start on the home page and navigate to the Help section to access the official documentation. Once the Help page loads, I scroll down to the Frequently Asked Questions and open the drop-down for NotebookLM limits. Here, I can see that the standard version allows for 100 notebooks, with each supporting up to 50 sources and 500,000 words. There is also a daily cap of 50 chat queries and 3 audio generations. Next, I click on the File Size Limit section to see that local uploads are capped at 200 megabytes per source, though there is no limit on the number of pages. For users who need more capacity, I click the link to explore upgrading options. This brings up a detailed comparison table for the various Google AI plans, including Plus, Pro, and Ultra. As I scroll through the data, I can compare how the number of notebooks and sources increases significantly with each tier, with the Ultra plan offering up to 500 notebooks. The table also breaks down specific daily limits for advanced features like cinematic video overviews, flashcards, and deep research, making it easy to see which plan best fits your workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.